What's up, guys? How you doing? Your boy Big A here coming at you. So I'm here at a Target and I'm looking through this little short bin. Pretty much already looked through it. They don't have very much. There's only a couple of cars that I did not have. So I'm going to take these two right here. Alright guys, I'm going to walk around the store and see what else they have. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm here in this section. I did not know that there were chase pieces in these car sections until a buddy of mine, MV2 Off-Road, mentioned it in one of his videos. So I'm going to take a look and see if I find one. Don't really collect these, but you know, these have some pretty cool deco on them. So let's see here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did we find? Bang, baby. Super Chase. Yes. Nice. This one's definitely coming home with me. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. Wasn't expecting to find this. Let's see over here. Looks like they have a bunch of regular ones. They have a bunch of these Lightning McQueens. This one here, or this one here. Oops, pick it up in a bit. This one here, Manny flywheel. This one here. Check that one out. Check this out. Meter mate. Check this one out. This is like a little ladybug looking thing, but no, it's an actual car. Look at the deco on this one, guys. This one, not bad. Let's see what they have up here. Oh, there's this one. This one here. Put these back. Alright. Pick up after yourselves, guys. The employees appreciate it when you make their lives easier. And they're more than likely willing to help you out. This one's really cool. Check this out. What a lucky day, guys. What a lucky day for me. First time I hunt for these and I find a Super Chase. That's awesome. Check this one out. This is a pretty cool truck. Check out the deco on this one, guys. Very, very cool. Let's see. This one here. Really cool. And there's another one. Put these back. I'm gonna shift them so that I could show you guys all of them. Check this one out. Cool. Check this one out. Check this one out. Have this one and another one back there. And a third one. Alright guys, check out this Lightning McQueen. Ooh, look at this one, guys. Love the deco on this one. This one is really, really cool. Let's see here. And this one. That one right there. Yeah guys, I'm still pretty stoked. I was not expecting that at all. So here we go, taco. So that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, there's another one here that I did not show you. This one's pretty cool. Check this one out. telling you guys, I mean, the deco is awesome on these. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna head on over to the Hot Wheels section, see what I find. All right, guys, so I'm here in the PEC section, and it looks like all the good stuff has already been taken. I don't care for this Mustang. This is a C case. So yeah, it looks like all the good ones have already been taken. So not even going to bother to look through them very closely. So yeah, let's take a look at these 5-packs. Pretty much the same thing as all the other Targets. You know, they have this 2021 Corvette pack. They have this awesome 2021 Exotics pack. By the way, guys, I did reviews on this one and this one. Go check it out, guys. I'm pretty sure you'll like the video. Let's see what else we have over here. Pretty much the same. Let's take a look at these 9-packs. We have, for the most part, a lot of fantasy castings, with the exception of that Bone Shaker, which is really cool. Again, guys, it's good to take a look at these 9-packs and 20-packs because you get a good glimpse of what cars are coming in the future cases. So pretty cool. So check this one out. Pretty cool. This one has the nice Corvette and the Dodge Demon in white. Very, very nice. Let's check out. This one has a cool bug. Very nice. And they have this other one here. I'm really digging that Mustang. Mustang Hunter, if you're watching this, man, I really recommend this Mustang. It's too bad it's an exclusive. You're never going to see it in a single pack, bro. So if you like it and you want it, you should consider yourself getting yourself one of these. All right, man, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to stop right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.